gonna see that? Of course! There me, talk to me. Have you ever seen anything like this done before? When? Really? You know it? But our two competitors today are Nathan Shaw's right here. Give a round of applause. And as you see, the size of this tree, I mean, it's got to be millions and millions of years old. I mean, there's just no other way to explain. Talk about this, but how long do you think it'll take you to get to the top? Shoot for about 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, all right. Here we go. It's a race against the clock. Let's get slow. It's at 35. And you made it.
Just real quick, how many times have you walked past that tree?
Oh, like probably a million, like every day at least 5 times.
That tree?
Like a million?
What year are you?
I am a freshman.
You are a freshman and already have passed it a million.
I used to live here, so.
Okay, that makes sense.
I don't even remember. It's been part of here as long as I've been at Northland.
What do you think of watching such a huge tree come down?
There's definitely a lot of memories in it, like just being here for 5 years now, plus 3 summers at camp. It's just,
wow.
It's just been a part of my life, I guess.
It was really cool. I think the coolest part was that it was DACO that was doing it, and no other colleges really get this opportunity, I don't know. Well, maybe they do, but it's just cooler at Northland. It was really cool. It was kind of sad though, because I used to live here, and so it was like, when I heard they were taking it down, I was kind of sad, but it's okay.
Does this area of campus hold any special memories for you?
I remember having freshman devos in this place every time. That was 4 years ago. Now the tree is down. It just looks different. So yeah, it's pretty funky.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you. We used to have funny time there at camp and stuff, and my dad used to be in funny time, and so we would go to the Whitechapel and watch him and stuff. So like we would pass the tree, and like we used to play by the tree, and like just like the whole area right here is where we kind of hung out when we were little kids and stuff. So
yeah, just once again, mostly from the campsite though. This is the center court area.
Okay.
And those 2 trees have been standing there by the Whitechapel. Just it's been, like they said, it's been a memory since the beginning of camp, and so it's definitely hard to see it go down.